Hello everybody, today I'm going to finish this controller that I've done a couple weeks ago. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit here and I'm going to fix it. This is a new transformer and yep, that should work. Okay. I'm not sure why it doesn't want to go on this pad. That's interesting. Why is it not going on this? Okay. I just want to show you guys what I've done. So I replaced this new transformer. Only 4 points. For me it looks like a relay, but I guess it's a transformer. Very strange looking transformer, but anyways, and I had to make a little adjustment here because I made last time a little short, but I fixed it. So yeah, everything seems to be okay. I'm gonna call the customer and he can grab it. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like and subscribe. Bye bye.